Hi, fellow anatomists, and welcome to week 5. I have my skeleton in the background there, and he has been named. It's McRibs. So that's our guy. That was decided during the SI session. So thank you for doing that. You have a little more time to study bones still, and then you'll have your practical coming up that's online. And it's a different time for Adrian's sections or for mine. So be sure to check on the dates of those. And that is going to, along with the skull this week, we will wrap up bones and move on to muscles. So this week is exciting for everybody because people go back to school. I'm unable to, but I will the following week. But this week is very important because you're going to find your seating, where you're going to sit in the anatomy lab, what some of the rules that we have to go through when we're in there. So it's a very important day that you're there. So please be sure to attend this first week. It's super exciting. Other than that, skeleton has a lot of structures on it. So spend time on that because there are a lot of different names of bones. But I'm sure you can get them because you've practiced learning different structures on the bones. I have my skull here. And you will have yours also in lab. And in lab, you'll be able to then do all sorts of things like take off this, look inside, and name all those little holes where all these holes, foramina, where the nerves go through, and you'll be able to just finally sit and touch things and rotate them as much as you like and look at them in a way that's much better for learning. So I'm really excited about that. So I'll see you really soon. Go to lab this week, all of you, and I will be continuing online until the following week. Take care, all of you. Bye.